Hey everyone, and now I have the Makita drill with a stubborn check, and it cannot be locked or unlocked, so I need to remove it. Obviously I will start from the screen side. As this one does not give up, I have put it in the vise. Okay, because when the tool is in the vise, it's easier to get the screw out. Don't forget that this is counterclockwise screw. And after no luck with hammering, I will go with the assemble of this bad boy. I'm almost able to take the gear out. Yeah. Okay, kids, don't do that at home. Okay, of course, full of dust. And what we have here, we have the gear IC. Basically, normally this housing is a little bit loose. Yeah. Okay, we have the shaft here. I have my lap tool for the shaft. See the socket here. So now I can put it in the vise and try to screw it with the, just divide a little bit. Okay, you will see the main thing. Now as I have made it to move, to get the Allen key, put at the socket on the anvil, I am able to easily unscrew it. But probably not easily take down. Okay, easily. So everything was made easy. Okay, now all we need is to assemble it back. A couple of parts here. Okay, just have lost the parts. We have the part with the gears on it. Putting it here inside. Okay. We have a couple of small pins here. The second pin goes here. Here's my part. I need to get this part on the gear IC, and I see that my light is terrible here. Maybe now it will be better. So I'm just trying to get used to the new camera. And what I can see now that I hate my camera holder, because the new camera is weight way more than the old one, and this holder just not hold it very good. Okay, we'll go with the big gears here. Of course, if you want, you can wash it and reduce it. Probably I will go with this gear. Yep. Certainly not going very into details here, but you can see all my videos, and honestly have reassembled many of the gear ICs. They are pretty the same with the Makita. If you want more detailed videos on GWS assemble, just let me know, I will make them. Now don't forget that it's a needle bearings here. Sometimes they just fail, the plastic is melted or something, so definitely then they need to be replaced. The plate, I will clean the dust from this one. Okay, just roughly clean it. Now I need to lift it, and the armature can be taken out. This one have some dust. Okay, you have managed to spin the cover. Now I will put the speed changer, just cleaning it with a brush a little bit. Keep in mind that this is not a deep cleaning of the tool. Okay, you have it in place. Now of course I can put the gear chassis and the field fully in a housing. Then I will close the housing. Everything fits good. Setting the armature, just spinning it around until it will get inside of the gear chassis. Brushing some dust here. Okay, now as the tool looks assembled, you can test it. Okay, it works, so I will bring in the new chuck. I have nice new chuck. Just getting it on, tightening the screw. And now we can test the clutch of the tool. Yep. Okay, looks good, and yeah, that was the hardest way to replace the chuck. Thank you for watching, and for now, bye.